certified mechanic, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. I'm just an average guy doing some DIY and trying to share my lessons with all of you. Welcome back to Rob's Garage. I'm Rob. This here's the garage where we maintain, repair, upgrade, and track the likes of BMWs, Corvettes, Ferraris, and Range Rovers, as well as Japanese motorcycles. Been a little distracted lately trying to get the M3 put back together. Here's the remnants of it. I just have the driver's side racing seat here in the garage. The car's at the body shop at the moment. Getting the frame straightened out. We'll see if we can't get that quarter panel welded in and get the car back on the track. But in the meantime, I thought I'd make a video that I have been meaning to share for some time now for you Range Rover Sport owners out there. It's an update to a video I did probably a little over a year ago about fixing coolant leak on the cheap. I'll provide a link to the video that I made about a year and a half ago where I identified the leak coming off of this reservoir hose here for the radiator, and I recommended in that to use a number 6 O-ring, which is an SAE. And so about 14,000 miles later I discovered a little leak again. Not nearly as bad, but still a little bit of a leak. And then I realized the error of my ways, I probably should have used the metric. So I thought it's only fair to give all of you an update and let you know what size I think is the correct size to now use. So here we are with a box of metric O-rings, and I believe the correct one to use this time is F0106. It's a 8mm inner diameter by 2mm thickness. Closest one I could find. It's lasted 6,000 miles, 6 months, no problem. And there you go. So give this a try. And it might last you a little longer than that SAE number 6 that I recommended before. So that's it. Just a quick update I want to share for you Range Rover Sport owners out there. Again, the number 6 O-ring held up pretty well for about 14,000 miles, but try this O-ring instead and hopefully provide you a lot longer service. And do yourself a favor, be sure to like and subscribe. Follow along. I'll provide updates periodically and keep you all posted on how long this O-ring lasts me. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Hanging out here at Rob's Garage. See you guys on down the road.